that girl.
Hey guys, I'm that girl, Mimiya, and today is gonna be a great day. Opo, the sun is out and we is getting ready for our shoot today. You know what I'm saying? Actually, ang tagal namin itong pinilano. Parang last year pa, and I'm so happy na we're doing it now. Mimiya 2.0, Mimiya as the Salcedo girly. Yes! I'm so
You still know how to
excited.
speak Tagalog?
I didn't na, I totally forgot nga eh.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Once I live here, I forgot the mother tongue. Like, and I'm so excited to share sa inyo ang behind the scene of our new intro. Ang brief background about this shoot is I am living my Sex and the City fantasy. Mimiya and the City fantasy. Kasi parang after watching Sex and the City, sobrang I feel so alive, I feel related, and I feel empowered. Kasi parang at your 30s, you can still be that girl. Ay grabe, manika.
Lagyan
Hoy
natin.
ate, shoot na, wala ng araw.
Wala pa kay
Wala
hairstylist
pa.
mo eh.
Ate! Ang laki talaga ng drastic change nung taste ko when it comes to fashion. So, with this shoot, makikita niyo yung evolution of Mimiya in terms of everything. Life,
Dapat-
mentally, spiritually,
Dapat magpakita rin
physically.
tayo. Mag-ano rin tayo ng mga before. Para hindi na sila
Hindi na,
mag-scroll.
kasi what's in the past is in the past.
No,
Dapat hindi na.
It's okay to look back sometimes.
Guys, i-delete ko yung mga old
Hindi,
videos. Kung na
Hanapin
yung mga
natin,
old
please,
videos.
guys.
naman!
Para makita mo
Yung evolution.
Yung red
Oo, grabe. Gusto ko pa dati naka-red lipstick. Pati yung clothes ko doon, gusto ko super baggy. And actually, it's so important talaga to surround yourself with people that will make you more confident. So excited for this shoot. I love the version of me, all the version of me, but I think this is the best, as of now, version of me.
For today, actually, even naman last year, we were doing, mas more on natural look for Mimi. Just, enhancing her natural features. But we just wanted to launch it seriously this year na para at least makita nila kung gaano talaga kaganda si Mimi. Actually, skincare lang yung gagawin ko today. Walang makeup. Wala. Tapos na ako. No, pero seriously, si Mimi, sobrang ganda ng skin. Thank you, Doc Ivy. Thank you so much. Pero,
Ivy.
seriously, sobrang ganda ng skin niya. Most of the time, hindi ako nagpa-foundation sa kanya. Promise. Promise. Di talaga. So, we just wanted to emphasize that. Makita lang talaga yung ganda niya.
So si Charles po ang gagawa ng ating new OBB. OBB ba ang tawag doon? Oh yeah. Overbody.
OBB.
Parang kumbagay sa iOS ay nag-a-update lang. Kasi parang yung gamit naming intro po, it's been 3 years. Ginawa pa po yun ng aking editor si Luwin Kang. And right now, since we're embracing the Mimiya and the City fantasy, opo. So ang peg namin is Sex in the City na may pagka-Devil Wears Prada. Tama, Charles?
Sa ML lang natin pinag-usapan yung...
Oo. ML kami. Gamit niya si Kimi, ako si Guinevere. Tumatalon-talon ako. Uy, Charles, shoot natin yung intro ko. Sabi niya, o sige, o sige. Uma-attack pa kami. The beauty of spontaneously.
Beauty of it all.
Spontaneous full. Spontaneous full is spunky. Te?
Naisip ko rin yun, yung parang nagpapan yung looks mo na
Yes.
left to right.
Reveal na yung mga clothes or gusto mo yung
Tight shot.
oo, nakwari like shoes or...
Yun lang talaga iniisip. Una kasi diba sinabi mo sa akin.
Charles, nagmamarathon ka ba? Ate, gusto mo tissue? Charles, ko na bahala. Tumapat ka na sa
Mamagic na.
Oo, kaya mo na yan. Thank you, Charles. And alam nyo, fun fact, since nga gusto ko talaga i-fulfill yung Mimi and the City fantasy ko, nagpagawa pa ako ng song. So, ito yung vibe niya. Alam niyo ba kung sinong gumawa ng song ng intro ko? Producer ni Moira. Naku, wala ito. Simpleng bagay. Oo. Parang same vibe ng Sex in the City, but I want it more like may tunog Makati siya. You know what I'm saying? Tunog Pilipino siya. So, I think nakuha naman niya yung vibe and you'll see later. Ayan na siya, te. Siya yan. Huwag tayo magsalita pag nagsasalita. Naglagay kasi ng lashes, te. Hi, ate. Good morning.
Good morning po.
Mamaya na kayo gumalaw.
Ano? Sungit mo naman.
Oo, be. Anong oras na?
Fantasy. Ay, let's all be Sir Dale. Pero Sir Dale, as in gusto ko lang rin talaga yung medyo natural pa rin. Yung atake lang rin natin, te.
Yours.
Di dyan kita. Dali na pang montage, di ba?
Bakit kaya?
Hindi. Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko?
Pilit binubuksan
Pilit binubuksan
ang kanyang
aking puso.
nararapat sa akin.
Te. Okay. Okay, so we're done with hair and makeup po. And as you can see, we are here sa aming rock na kinurate by the one and only Miss Lynn. Yes!
Hello, I am back on the channel.
Alam nyo, I just want to share it with you guys kung gaano nag-evolve yung fashion ko because of Miss Lynn. Kasi parang, kwento mo Miss Lynn, go.
Ikaw na.
Okay, fine. Dati, before I met Miss Lynn, parang I'm so afraid to show my skin, to try new things. I want parating boxy, I want oversized all the time. Tapos sabi ni Miss Lynn, i-embrace mo yung katawan mo, i-embrace mo yung body mo. And after that, sobrang ang rami naming napaglaro ang mga silhouettes. Marami kaming na-explore na mga looks because of Miss Lynn. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just so happy and
Yeah.
thankful for Miss Lynn kasi parang I think hindi ko rin ma-achieve the taste in fashion.
Girl, may taste ka na. You just needed a little push na parang, I need to accept yung parts ng sarili ko na I need to highlight kasi lagi siyang boxy.
Yes.
Kailangan blazer, nakatago lahat. But then, try mo kayo mag-halter. Parang, ang ganda ng shoulders mo. Sabi, ayoko mukha akong lalaki. Although lalaki ka naman. Lalaki ka naman talaga.
True.
Parang, I get that like consciousness. Pero parang sabi, girl, you look like a supermodel. As in yung frame mo, parang sobrang as in ganda.
And now, actually, we're trying another atake. Sinanchika ko lang kay Miss Lynn na parang, Miss Lynn, parang gusto ko ng something Sex in the City but also fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So parang with this look, parang pinaghalo namin yung mga high-end luxury brands together with local brands, which I really love. And
Yeah.
yun na rin talaga yung parang perspective ko when it comes to
Yeah.
fashion. Parang I always need to wear something local and to empower them. Kasi
Yeah.
sobrang gagaling ng mga designers natin here in the Philippines, diba, Miss Lynn?
As in, parang there's so much undiscovered talent.
True.
Well, like with my team kasi we don't just like source yung mga nasa Manila. We like go beyond na parang may Iloilo, Cebu. There's just so much to discover. And parang I think ito rin yung year na parang, okay, like we're playing around, we're introducing new people na parang sinusuot namin. So like this a mix of parang established and already emerging brands. And it's super exciting.
Yeah. So, I'm so excited to show po yung mga looks na nagawa namin ni Miss Lynn
Yes.
for this shoot. You know what I'm saying? Let's go!
Let's go!
Ang atake natin ay nakidnap. Parang na-raid. Di ba?
May ransom! Sorry, para lang kasi hindi
Yeah. Yes, this is the look. This is by Randolph Clothing.
Gusto mo mag-Margiela tayo na Mary Jane Steve?
Parang cute, no?
Para lang mas quirky.
Yeah. So nice. Sobrang ganda ng look na to. I super love this dress. Actually, nag-walk ako for his fashion show.
Yeah.
The finale, this dress caught my eyes talaga. It's so nice. We love some tabbies.
True. Iconic na yan.
True.
Sobrang synonymous when you say name.
Aww.
Margiela or Tabby.
Aww. Thank you, Miss Lynn. True. Pang buong araw. Hindi, kasi tinatry ko na rin kasi hindi mag-dairy. So, tinitiis ko yung pait ng cold brew. Lasang pait ng kahapon. Kimi. And yes, we are gonna shoot around Salcedo. And you can see kung gaano kaganda ang Makati. Especially during Sundays. Yeah. Okay. Saan yung dito ba ako dapat? Saan ako? Chat. Thank you, God. Tignan mo, walang tao. We're just roaming around, nice yung weather. And that's why I also love Makati kasi it's a city that you can walk talaga. Ang pupuntahan mo, you can walk. I mean, it's long, but you know, yun naman ang ating goal this year. To move more so we can eat more. Tama, Angel? Kita si Angel. Tama. Carjo! Ang ganda! Okay ka lang, Charles.
Ganda.
Hey guys, so for our second look, medyo around the area din naman po siya. I'm so grateful for Kuya Bong kasi andyan lang siya, naka-standby siya. For our look,
This top is by Alcer. It's a Bench Design Awards. Then this one is by Gani. So international din. Filipino and international.
Yes. And we're wearing Margiela, of course. It's not Mimiya if it's not Margiela. Yes, I'm so excited to shoot this second look. Actually, sabi ko nga to kay Misty, it feels like Copenhagen eh. Yung atake na to. Grabe, ito yung suot mo sa Makati. Hulas. Hulas ka talaga ng malala, opo. But you know, we do everything for fashion. Is it fashionable if it's not painful? I don't think so. We are going to our second location. Nakakatawa na napakarami na pong underpasses here. Grabe, palang promoter ako ng Makati. Sana pag ako tumakbo ha, iboto nyo ako dito sa Makati.
Siya yung pinakamaganda.
Punuan po kasi. Kasi may nahabol kaming boundary. Magti-tuition fee po kasi ng anak ko. Kailangan namin ng extra income. Magpapasokan na po kasi. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po. Pang 10-seater lang po itong bala to. Ginawa namin 18. 18 ba to? 4, 8. Gaga kayo. Sabi nga nila, kahit tayo naghihirap, basta tayo sama-sama, okay lang. Sige, gusto nyo yung ganito?
Bakit? Ang lambot naman ang inuupuan mo ah.
Oo nga eh. Kala ko nga, Uratex eh. Ay, sorry. Alam nyo guys, gutom na po talaga ako. Parang amoy kalawang na nga po yata yung bininga ko.
Oo nga.
Baka oo nga naman.
Kasi ang lapit mo sa akin, kulang na lang magalikan tayo.
Di ba nakaka 10K steps ka every day?
Yes. I try my best kasi. Naniniwala ako. So we can eat more, we need to move more. Alam nyo guys, sa lahat ng mga looks po na mapapanood nyo dito sa vlog na to, this is my favorite. Kasi aside from this shirt po, ay napanood talaga sa Sex and the City mismo. So ito ni Miss Lucy Lu. Yes. Lately, I actually get inspired po sa mga bagay na kunwari, something casual, but boom! With a big skirt. You know what I'm saying? It's like a mix of both worlds. That's why I super love it. I think this look is the essence of being a Salcedo girl. Know what I'm saying? Hey guys, so this is the look, our third look, Dior top. This big skirt is from Sir Neric Beltran. Actually, nagsuot na rin po ako ng Neric Beltran skirt nung birthday ko, the green one, and I super love it. And of course, the most painful shoes ever, the Ferragamo. Kapagod, onti pa ng lakad namin na mga 1 minute pa na, wala pa yata. Nangangalay na yung pa ako. Sikit, ning piku, sikit, piku. Thank you. Wonderful. Hey guys, are you even a Salcedo girl without a flower? Ang shade. Ang bigat ng flower ko, grabe. Actually, this is a very fun look. The top is Prada, skirt, Seth Verano, and my shoes, of course, Prada. Shades, Gentle Monster. And I'm so thankful for it kasi it's my first time for receiving PR package from them. And I think it's a good way to start the year fashionably. You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Look at my skirt. So nice, diba? Ewan ko lang kung malunod pa ako dito. Oo. Hey guys, akala nyo nasa Paris tayo. Tanga, Makati lang to. Oo. So may nag-tweet ako sa Makati. Nakakatawa, pakainit. Opo. But this is not just a tweet. It's classic Chanel tweed. Hair with the one and only my love, Carl John Cruz and Tabby Mary Janes. To complete the look, this Chanel flap. Welcome to Paris. Bonjour, mamose, mamose. Ang bunzu daw ay pinakabatang anak. Bonjour. Leche. Hey guys. So, this is our 6th look. Actually, parang we're doing very good kasi parang medyo mabilis po ang aming shoot. Opo. And we are heading to a grocery store. Actually, recently po, na-enjoy ko talaga mag-grocery. Parang it's a new way of retail therapy for me. And at the same time, at least mabibili mo pa yung mga kailangan mo sa bahay. You know what I'm saying? And to be honest, parang nakaka-adult po yung pag nag-grocery. So, this is my grocery look. You know what I'm saying? Blue dress, sheer dress by Lance Rubio. I super love his aesthetic kasi we also wore one of his clothes sa aming events sa Ponds. I super love it. It's chic, it's fun. And the top, we have here a bathing suit. It's from Florici po. Our pants is MM6, of course. Look at the cut. Kita ba yung cut? Yeah. It's the little details talaga. And I have my Bottega with me. Yeah. My everyday shoes po talaga. It's so comfortable. And of course, my grocery bag by Hamu. I love it. Let's go. Uy, ang ganda dito ah. Uy, it's so nice. Ang ganda dito. Hi guys. Thank you po ah. Okay, let's go grocery shopping. Ako, I'll get the lemon po without sugar. Thank you. Hi, Miss Lucy. Thank you po sa pa-iced tea. Lucy, di ba po? Lisa! Sino si Lucy? Lucy Torres. Thank you so much, Miss Lisa. Lisa, can you teach me Japanese? So nice here. Ang ganda na may mga gantong hole in the wall here in Makati. Actually, a lot. I'm gonna share with you guys yung mga nadi-discover ko po really, really soon sa aking mga social media accounts. So yeah, I just love being a Makati girl. Yes, what the best way to end the day in your house. You know what I'm saying? So this is our last look po. As you can see, I'm wearing all Acne Studios. You know what I'm saying? I got clear skin but got acne on my trip. You know what I'm saying? And as you can see, opo, my house po is under maintenance. Opo, kasi parang mayroon pa po akong mga iniintay na mga furnitures. And I can't wait po to show the whole vlog po about my new condo. The chic one. Opo, kasi medyo hindi pa siya fantasy ngayon eh. And yeah, get it.
Yay! It's a wrap! It's a wrap.
Tapos na pala. Yay! It's a wrap, guys! Thank you.
Mga makeup beauty looks every month. So, pwede ba tayo mag-isa na ngayon?
Now na. Ayoko na.
Ayun, boom. See, guys, gino-joke ko lang siya, pero pumitik na agad.
Last draw na yun, oh.
Ang start pa lang ng 2026,
Ay, wala.
Bawal pa mapagod.
Nagod na ako. And that's it, guys. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na ito. And I can't wait to show you po more of me living alone. Opo. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat po sa team ko na talagang bumuo nitong aking fantasy. You know what I'm saying? Kay Sir Elwin po as my producer. Kay Sir Dennis, sa aking photographer. Si Charles, sa aking videographer. Sa aking vlogging team, of course, Louie Kang and Ali. Miss Lynn for styling me. For hair, Sir Dale. For my makeup po, si Miss Taz. And I would also like to thank you guys for being here with me in my journey. You know what I'm saying? And I can't wait po to grow with you guys even more. Kung meron pa kayong mga suggestions po na mga pwede ko pa pong gawin, opo, mag-comment po kayo dyan. And don't forget, grabe naman, kung meron pa kayong suggestion ko ano po ang dapat kong suotin. Grabe, buong outro, nakahubad ka. Full moon nyo yan, no? Don't forget, I'm that girl, Mimiya. Thank you guys. Life is lifing.